back to work. As we about to kickstart the journey, travel time, it's almost 2 o'clock. Let's see. Airport Mohammed Airport ní Casablanca. Òun níbi tí a ti fi gbéra báyìí. Kọ́lọ́n kó túbọ̀ Elédùmarè kó máa fi ṣọ́ṣọ́ wa bá ṣe ń lọ bá ṣe ń bọ̀. Kí gbogbo ohun tí a dẹ̀ ń béèrè lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ kó má pẹ́ kí a tó rí gbà. Kí a lè rí gbà ní kíákíá. Kí a lè rí lò. Kí ọba tí ó nílẹ̀ Oòduà kó má jẹ́ káwọn tí ó fẹ́ gbalẹ̀ mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́. Pé orí ilẹ̀ tiwa ló ń wò, ilẹ̀ tí wọn ò wò rárá, àfi ilẹ̀ tí tọ̀dọ̀ tiwa ìyẹn ló ń wò wọn, torí pé wọ́n mọ̀ pé ìta ní lórí ilẹ̀ wa èyí tó ṣe tó gbogbo àgbáyé ni, so ká má wàá jẹ́ kí a give up. So òun náà ni ìyẹ̀wò yẹn bó ṣe ń lọ láti bí plane ṣe fẹ́ gbéra báyìí. A máa fi mọ̀ títí tí plane yẹn máa fi fò sókè. Plane kan ni ó dà pé yẹn ṣe ń land ní orí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fi dé ni. So let's enjoy the view as the plane is about to take off from Casablanca in Morocco. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.
Cabin crew ticket for configuration, please.
Take off from the airport in Casablanca. And that's DHL services. In the next few minutes, we'll be right there in the sky, and there's a DHL aircraft bringing many cargo from around the world to Morocco. As we expect the journey to be smooth according to the pilot, we should be touching down in London within 4 hours from Morocco. Once again, this is Koiki Media bringing it to you live and direct. Right there's another flight. It's probably just arriving, as you can tell. It's just coming down on a high speed. Landing soon. And this one will then, while that one is about to land, as you can tell there, it's landing, coming gradually, so we have to allow that to pass through, and then we continue our departure from Morocco. The pilot is putting in some high speed now, and I'm sure within the next few minutes you can hear the sound, and here we go on a high speed, moving at very, very high speed now, ready to take off giving it to you live and direct, witnessing the engine rolling very fast, as you can tell from there. And here we go. We are right now on the top, and if you look down, you can tell that we've actually, not sure what they're going to be building here very soon, but I can tell you now that the flight is currently right there at the top in the sky, and you can tell that we've been lifted up by the airport we've left behind us. Fantastic road networks, buildings, and that's the sky there. And this plane is ready now to fire on all cylinder, heading to London. What do you think about this journey that you've watched? What can you read meaning to it? What are your experiences when you're traveling? What are your fears? With many accidents also happening lately that we've watched, what do you think when you're traveling? For those of us that travel quite often, whether in a private jet or in a public airline like the Royal Air Morocco, we pray for safe landing back to London. And this is Koiki Media, bringing it closer to you.